What are you having?
This?
Banana bread?
Yeah.
Do you want some banana bread, Sam? Can you say good morning?
Good. I don't feel well.
You don't feel well? Oh no.
Because I was sick. I want to go somewhere today.
We are.
Where?
We're going to Chuck's birthday party, which is at Stephanie's house.
Why?
Because it's his birthday.
We're gonna have a singing thing for him.
Yeah.
What's his present?
We got him a gift card.
No,
He's
mine.
40 years old. Can you believe that?
No,
Wow.
I can't believe it. It's not old. This is old.
Okay, that's what we're up to. Okay, so we're off to Chuck's birthday party. We got our bathing suits. The girls have their dolls. Oh my goodness, we have a campfire in the car?
Yeah.
I guess we're prepared, aren't we? Okay. Happy birthday, Chuck. We can't wait to celebrate with you.
It's so warm. Yeah.
And we're off.
I don't know.
Are we at the party? Sam, where are we at? Samantha. Where are we at? Yay. Are you excited? Are you excited?
I don't feel
Chuck's party. Girls, are you in the pool? Woo! Is it fun?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Woo!
Sorry.
Do you want your bubble on? No? Woo!
Perfect, Chuck. It's
Perfect. It's perfect.
Very nice.
You want me to take a picture of it?
Yes.
Yeah,
you should take a picture of it.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chuck. Happy birthday to you.
You can't really go under.
Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hit a thumbs up if you like our videos and do subscribe.
Any question?
Leave comments down below if you know how to swim above water.
The girls had a lot of fun in the pool today at the party.
And leave the comments down below. Have you ever had a campfire in your car?
Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Hi.
Bye. Peace out, kids.